Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to be tying a paracord knife lanyard in the mandala knot style. This lanyard can be tied either in a single color, or you can join two cords of different colors for a two-tone effect. Depending on the lanyard hole that you have on your knife, you will either want to tie your lanyard directly onto your knife, or you can tie your lanyard separately, then attach it onto your knife by using a lark's head knot. For this project, you're going to need a piece of cord about 3 feet 4 inches long. Or, in the case of using two colors, you will need two pieces, each 20 inches long. If you plan on using two cords of different colors, you will first want to join them into a single longer piece. So here is how I do it. Pull out the inner strands a bit, trim off about 3/4 of an inch. Move to the other side of your cords, pinch your cord, pull the cord through, which is going to recede the inner strands back into the sheet. Do the same thing on the other side, pinch your cord, pull it through your fingers, which makes the inner strands move further into the sheet. Now, spread apart one end. To do this, you can use a pencil. Grab the other end, trim it off a bit at an angle, just to taper it off. This is going to make the joint section a bit less bulky. Now melt this end, push it into this one. Melt the outer sheet here a bit as well to prevent any fraying. Now ideally, when you pull your cord through the lanyard hole, the joint section is going to be completely hidden. We begin tying by lining up a series of single mandala knots. When your first knot is tied, adjust the size of your loop. Then continue tying your knots. We finish up our lanyard with a slightly larger double mandala knot. It is tied pretty much the same way as the single version, but with an extra turn. Move your knot closer to your single mandala knots by pulling in these two strands, going through the knot, pulling the slack into the working ends. You will want to retighten your knot several times. When you're happy with the look of your double mandala knot, trim the two ends, lightly melt them, So guys, this concludes our tutorial on the Mandala knot knife lanyard. I sincerely thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you in my future videos as well.